Hi, my name's Cori, and the procedures I've had done are crowns, and I've had some teeth removed and some bridges. Before I came to the dentist, I had broken teeth, missing teeth, and teeth that were failing.
Cori came to us and she was feeling anxious. She had teeth that were coming out left and right. She wasn't able to chew, but she was kind of scared of going back to another dentist where they would force the tooth out. She didn't like that experience. She came here with the desire to want to chew again and have a new smile.
The reason I hadn't been to the dentist, I'd been terrified to go. I'd had some bad experiences in the past. I had some dentists that were very rough on me and caused more pain than I started out with. So I just put it off and just only had teeth pulled when I needed to have them pulled. I've been dealing with this on and off for years, and I finally couldn't pull any more teeth without me. I wouldn't be able to chew food, so I had to go and get it done.
As a team, we earned her trust. We took our time through the consultations, make her feel like family, and we stepped her through the whole process. What to expect, questions along the way. We did the procedure in phases. We gave her some nice, beautiful temporaries, and she was able to kind of modify it to the way she wants to, so that by the end, she knew exactly what to expect, and she had this big, beautiful smile that was even more amazing than she remembered.
The first time I was actually just shocked that I had a nice smile. I'd never had a great smile, and I almost wanted to cry, but all I could think of was telling the doctor he was very artistic. He didn't make it look too crazy, and it was exactly what I needed, and my mouth didn't hurt anymore. I was overwhelmed, but at the same time still shocked. So it took me a couple days of smiling in the mirror and just going, wow, this is really me. You know, I've got a nice smile now.
One of the most rewarding things we can do is just experience that transformation. Seeing someone who comes in either fearful, scared, or they don't like the way they smile, and then see them being able to smile all the time, to chew, see their confidence up. It's refreshing. I wouldn't change that for anything in the world.